Do you know who gave you all that?
Yeah.
Who?
And this is chocolate tupper.
Aunt Lisa gave you this, Wyatt.
And tupper crackers. Pig crackers. This is pig crackers.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. The mother crackers.
Can you look in the camera and tell Lisa thank you?
Oh.
Say thank you, Lisa. Look at me and say it. Wyatt.
Thank you, Lisa.
Okay, we'll send it to her, okay? Do you like it?
Chocolate milk. This is chocolate milk. This is chocolate milk.
Yummy.
Yeah, this is chocolate milk for me. And sugar. This is toast dipper. And gray tipper.
What are those?
And hay wrappers. And hay wrap grape tippers.